Imagine having all the real-time data you could ever want from the factory floor on your computer in just a few weeks.
Imagine having your old equipment operate just as efficiently as your newer equipment.
Imagine having the ability to pinpoint operational, technical, and process deviation in real time.
Imagine having a second-by-second record of your manufacturing process for quality assurance and certification compliance.
Imagine having all the manufacturing efficiencies of a multi-billion-dollar company.
Imagine having all of this at a price you can afford. With SmartEYE by Ectron Corporation, you can stop imagining.
By monitoring the data being collected from your equipment, you can make more informed decisions when it comes time to take an action, like performing maintenance or troubleshooting. Maintenance teams can switch from preventative to predictive maintenance, which may help reduce downtime. Or continuous improvement teams can better monitor the process flow to see where bottlenecks are or where improvements can be made.
SmartEYE is a scalable, affordable, plug-and-play smart factory solution that pulls real-time data from the factory floor and sends the data directly to your network. And with over 1,800 sensor options, whether your machines are 2 weeks old or 30 years old, we can pull the data you need to ensure that all your equipment is operating optimally. With SmartEYE, a 20-year-old injection molding machine can perform just as efficiently as a new machine if you have real-time data to make the setting adjustments where needed. With SmartEYE, there can be no unknown deviations on the CNC machine without alerts being sent to the operator. Using SmartEYE, this agri company is using data analytics along with simulations to optimize its hops drying process.
SmartEYE is not just software. Ectron installers can instrument your equipment with industrial-grade sensors. In fact, we have over 1,800 sensor options, making the amount and type of data we can collect almost endless. We can also collect data from newer machines using MD Connect. All of the data collected goes to Ectron's powerful industrial-grade edge computers with artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities, where the system creates a machine model of the optimal production run. All this power is stored in a small NEMA box, which fits discreetly on the factory floor. Without any effort on your part, the system is collecting real-time data, and all that data is available to you on your computer. So whether you want to check progress at a particular location, on a particular line, a particular machine, or even a feature on a particular machine, our hierarchical dashboards will give you all the information you need in real time. Moreover, with our subscription service, Ectron maintains the entire system for you. Any issues, just give us a call. We'll troubleshoot as well as repair or replace any faulty equipment at no extra charge.
With the data gathered from SmartEYE, you can compare machine efficiencies, pinpoint any technical, operational, or process deviations in real time, get exact costing per job, including energy costs, schedule machine usage to increase production and guarantee your production schedules are met, monitor the entire factory, each machine, and each function of each machine from anywhere, integrate the data into your ERP system to see a return on investment instantly. You can also run simulations.
Competition between manufacturers is going to continue to grow, and those using data analytics may have an upper hand as there's more information available to them to make process improvements, or they'll have more uptime to get more product out the door and increase revenue. Companies not using data analytics are not going to see these benefits and will have a harder time competing in the marketplace.
We can really monitor almost anything you want monitored. Equipment functionality, equipment uptime, equipment availability.
Product yield, product quality, product costs, down to the penny, including energy usage.
Production schedules, material waste, and environmental factors that affect product quality and machine performance.
Employee performance at the plant, line, or even machine level.
The list goes on and on. The fact of the matter is, you tell us what data you need and how you want to see it, and we'll customize SmartEYE to fit your needs.
Unlike many of our competitors who require you hire installers, purchase equipment, or purchase other services to make their solutions work, with SmartEYE, Ectron is the only vendor you'll need. Thanks to our partnerships with industry giants like Balluff, Microsoft, Intel, Arrow Intelligent Solutions, AMD, and others, we bring everything you need to the table. sensors, cabling, networking hubs, our very own edge computers, and cloud access via Microsoft Azure as an option. And since we've been supplying ruggedized computers to the U.S. military, large governmental contractors, and several Fortune 100 companies for over 30 years, you can count on our industrial-grade edge computers with artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to hold up in even the most extreme industrial environments. While Industry 4.0 may seem overwhelming and out of reach to many manufacturers, we've made SmartEYE an affordable, out-of-the-box option. SmartEYE is completely scalable. You can start with one machine and slowly build up until your entire factory is online. We also have a no upfront fee subscription model, so you can get started without a heavy capital investment. Just give us a call or send us an email, and we'll get you started with a free, no obligation consultation with our engineering team. That said, if you need more information before taking the plunge, check out our website at www.ectron.com.